Hello everyone, welcome to the series of tutorials on Amibroker. In this video, let's look into the different products available from Amibroker, how to download the software and licensing aspects of Amibroker tool. Let's jump into the homepage of Amibroker tool. Here we can see different options, the products, the download, order, support and other things. So let's quickly look into the products that are available from Amibroker. Firstly, we see this Amibroker Advanced Technical Analysis software. This is the software which we will be going to download further. Apart from this, there is AmiCode, which is a separate software available, which acts as a data plugin to download the historical data as well as get the live data feeds from different data vendors. And we have AFL Code Wizard, which is basically a tool which helps us to easily write AFL code. This is mainly meant for those who are not from coding background but want to quickly write their own AFL code. So this helps in converting English-like sentences to code. So it's easier to write the AFL code using this code wizard. So going back to the Amibroker software. So here, as you can see, there are different licenses available, the standard edition, the professional edition and the ultimate pack pro. So the different features that are available in each of these editions and the costs and the features, the other details you will be able to get in this link. So I'll not be really covering in detail about it now. You can always visit this link and go through it in detail. What I'll be mainly covering about now is, like, say, the system requirements. As you can see here, it needs an Intel x86 compatible CPU and it supports most of the Windows OS versions, and it needs a minimum 1 GB RAM and 100 MB disk space, and this is usually most of the case supported in any of the recent PC configurations. Coming to the licensing part, all the licenses are personal usage, which means it's a single person license, and this can be installed on multiple machines which the same person owns. And when you download, right, so once we go into the download tab here you can see different versions of the Amibroker tool available, and as you can see here, Amibroker 6.4 is the latest release, but as of now this is only an official release which is available only for registered members. Amibroker 6.0 and the earlier versions are actually available for anyone to download. In fact, free trial versions of all these versions will be available. Depending on your PC configurations, you can download a 32-bit or a 64-bit version of the software. You can go through the tool, get used to the different features available in the tool, get accustomed to it, and once you feel you are comfortable using the tool and you will be able to really make use of the tool, then you can actually purchase the license and start using it. So a free trial version is available. You need not install a licensed version later on. Once you have the free trial version running on your machine, and once you feel you need to purchase the license, you would get a separate executable from Amibroker side which you just need to run, and that will convert your free trial version into a licensed version. So you really don't need to reinstall this entire software. Coming to the 32-bit or a 64-bit, it is usually prescribed to download the 32-bit version because it works on both 32-bit as well as 64-bit Windows. But if you are specific about using a 64-bit version itself, because your Windows supports 64-bit, then you can download the 64-bit version of it. But in general, if you aren't sure about which version to download on your machine, if you are not clear about which version is best suited for your machine, I would say better go with the 32-bit version because that is supported with any of the Windows versions. So in the download tab, you can see the different releases available. This was for Amibroker, and similarly the other products like AmiCode which were available, you have different releases available for downloads here. So For those who want to make use of the Amibroker development kit and develop their own packages using this, there is a Amibroker development kit which is also available for download. Those from coding background who want to make use of the Amibroker features and customize it for their needs, this development kit would be helpful. And for any of the product support related queries, there is always a support page which you can refer to. Here is the option available for that, and there is a link available in the product support page as well. And when you want to order, or let's say purchase the license, you can obviously go to the order section and then decide which edition of the Amibroker license you need, and based on that you can place your order and you will be getting the details for the licenses over email. And yeah, that's it for this video, and thank you very much. And in the further videos I will be covering more about this powerful tool. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the new videos. Thank you.